Why money is not coming to me? If money is not coming to you, if you are facing recurring job losses, if you are facing business losses, if you are facing payment blockages, one of the main important reason behind it is the blockage from the subconscious mind. Our life is 90% controlled by the subconscious mind, while our life is 10% only controlled by the conscious mind. So when the conscious efforts are not working, it means that there is some problem in our back end, in our subconscious mind. There's a very good book by Joseph Murphy about the subconscious mind, and he mentioned a lot of things, the power of subconscious mind. He mentioned a lot of things about the subconscious mind. One reason is this. Another reason is that we are sometimes comfortable with poverty. Sometimes we are comfortable being living in uncomfort. And at that point of time, if we have this issue, we have to change our pattern of adaptation. This is one other reason. If you have been born in a poor family or lower middle class family, or you were in the survival state for some years of your life, now money is trying to come to you, but you will behave in a way that rather than attracting money, you will detract money. So there are different reasons, or there are different things on which we have to work on to attract money. The third reason is that we always attract those things which we welcome. Like for example, if we are going to have a guest, we make the house decorative, we put a welcome board or whatever. If we are going to if some loved one is coming, we place balloons in the house and welcome home, something like this. So if you are not welcoming someone, he or she or it will not come to you. If you are looking for a job, we update our CV, we ask references, we ask recruiters, we behave in a professional manner, we update our social media, and we upgrade our qualifications. The same way we have to welcome money, then money will come to you. Like as you have to attentive and look for opportunities here and there and everywhere, the same way you have to look for money here and there and everywhere. Some way we have been brought up in a society, in a culture where we have been to school, university, colleges, and we are the viewers of over branding of careers. So we thought that one day we will become doctor or engineer, then we will get the job, then we will get the salary, then we will get rich, we will get money. While all big people in the world, they work on multiple skills and they have multiple sources of income. They have passive income, they're writing books, they have royalties, they receive rental income, they receive their business income. So one formula behind a good earning or attracting a good amount of money, that you should receive money from all these multiple sources. So this is also one of the reason. Another reason, sometime in some religious beliefs or spiritual beliefs or schools, we have been taught that all the poor people will go to heaven, or if we are poor, we are near to God. Like these things we have been installed since our childhood and in our subconscious mind, which also plays a role. Like we think that, oh, I am a poor, I am near to God. Oh, I am a poor, I will go to heaven. So rich people, I hate rich people, rich people will not go to heaven, or I will go to heaven, I am near to God. So we would like to continue in that state of being poor. So there are different reasons and different programmings which have been installed in our subconscious mind. So it is very important, as you are going to spa, as you are going to your religious rituals places, whatever church or whatever, as you are maintaining your relationships, you have to maintain your money energy. You have to meet wealth teachers, you have to continuously thinking about and working on investment, you have to continuously thinking about increasing your sources of income. You don't have to sit down and wait for the salary and wait for a job loss and then wait for a new job to find. If you are facing cash issues, if you lost your job, if you don't have funds, it is not a career issue, it's a money issue, it's a financial issue. You have to get financial education, you have to get education related to financial independence. You have to follow teachers, you have to read books, you have to work on it. It has not been branded, it has not been taught in the college, school or university, it has not been widely communicated on media. So it is a new thing which you have to work on. Thank you and wish you all the best for your money energy.